Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got Lottie in the studio and she's come in with a corset from a Melbourne designer, Olivia Rowan. So we're going to do a shoot to get some images for the designer, and she's a little bit indecisive with the lighting, so she's left that up to Peter. And he's going to use this June Mollis G200, which is an awesome constant light, and gonna give it a nice clean kind of Helmut Newton style feel.
So today I've got Lottie in the studio and she's got this awesome corset from Olivia Rowan, a designer. We'll just put a link in description. And basically I asked Lottie 1,000 questions and most of them said, I don't know, whatever you think. But she did come down to, she liked the lighting on this picture that I did of her before with the contrast on her, but maybe not so much. She didn't want to look cut out, so she did want a shadow. And it's a quite light shadow behind it. We mightn't have it that close to the wall, I don't know, but that's what we're going to try and build today. And I'm just going to use constant lights. And yeah, I'll just see how we go from here. So I haven't taken a shot yet. And this is the joy of using constant lights, because I don't really need to take a shot to start my lighting off. I just need to get the light on. And then I can see my shadow, I can see my direction of light, especially if I come back where my camera is. So where I am now, with a little nice drop shadow on that side of her. Just thinking I might just make this light a little bit harsher, and hopefully you see, yeah, you'll see the shadows separating from Lottie as I swing it around here. If I put the power back onto her, I'm just going to look here. So add some more light to get a bit more contrast onto her face. It's only on third. Is that all right for your eyes? That's cool. So that's now darkened off the shadow behind. It's giving me more contrast in her face. I might just take a shot at this just to see how the camera likes it. Cool. How much room have I got? So that's about stopping a bit. Yeah, I'm going to swap to 800 ISO, and the main reason is because I want to keep a decent depth of field. I want to have more of a fashion feel, so I want to keep it at that more up around the 7.1, 6.3, 7.1. I think I'm really close to clipping on the wall. That's perfect. It's not clipping anywhere on Lottie. A few things I'm looking at. First is the shadow. I'm quite liking the shadow. I'm just going to change the height, I think. Though I do like it under her chin. I do like that cut. I don't like getting it so close so quick. Do you want to go back closer to the wall for a second? I just want to see if I can drop that shadow closer to you, if I like that. Yeah, I think I like that better with it closer to the wall. Definitely like it better. Things I'm looking at, I'm liking the cut under the thing. I'm liking how it's bringing out her collarbones. I might do a color and a black and white and keep Lottie happy. Yeah, I'll give you a color as well as a black and white. Oh, I don't know, I'm being nice for some reason. Cool. I'm liking it. I'm just fine tuning a little bit. I don't know if what my thinking is to lift this shadow up so it's at the same height of her, but I'm going to lose this little cut under her chin, which I really like because it's what I chase for when I'm shooting with sunlight. So all I'm doing with this is, hopefully I'm going to grab a little bit of that light. I'm not grabbing very much. If I'm not getting enough, I might throw another light into it. I just want to make that shadow a touch lighter. Yeah, that's not giving me what I want. Again, this is one of the reasons I like constant light, is because I can see very, very much to what I'm going to get without having to take a picture. So I can see, looks like it's softened that light down a bit. Let's see what's done to Lottie's. It's definitely softened that down. Just not sure if subtle. All right, so I like the shadow coming down a bit, but I'm not liking what it's done onto Lottie's face. I'm preferring Lottie's face without that. Plan number 2. So my thinking here is just to slightly increase the contrast on Lottie by having both lights coming from the same direction rather than one coming from one side, one coming from the other. I'm not sure if it's going to change the shadow, but I'm more interested in adding a little bit more contrast without moving that light very much. That's definitely, so you'll see we've got a shadow coming in there and then there's a shadow coming in here. I've only put a very slight double shadow, which I actually really like that little double shadow sitting. It's like a little mini halo. Cool. It's very subtle. I prefer it without. Right, fine tune, fine tune. And this is, to me, this is where the finishing of the photo is. Everything I do from now on should be making this better, hopefully. So I'm just doing tiny little fine tunes by moving. Cool, I like that. I definitely like that better. So I've got a fair bit of room on Lottie. In fact, I should punch that up a bit more. So just by checking how much room I've got, I don't care if the white wall's going to blow off because I want that high key and I'm not wanting texture in the wall. So I don't care if I don't have detail in the wall, but I do want to get more a silky skin look. So the more I bring that light in, turning the power up on Lottie, it's going to make her skin get more of a glow about it. I like that a lot. It's also giving me this shadow that I'm really after. I might just get the boss to come and check. Do you want to have a look at it? You're the boss. Well, you don't shoot with me if I don't let you pick. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Lighting?
Yeah.
Sure.
Is there a way to like preview it in black and white?
I'm going to do black and white, don't worry.
Okay,
I was showing you in colour because I know you like colour better.
Yeah, I know, but I feel like this one,
Is it-
loving it in black and white. Like, I feel like it needs
Oh,
that.
thank God.
Yeah.
All right, so what channel we've got you in? That's green channel. See, green channel, I'm going to be able to make you chromier. I might just lock in my blacks, lock in my whites, and put a mid boost.
Well, you guys haven't seen me since I cut my bulb.
I know.
Do you like it?
We've got no choice, have we? Yes, I do like it. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't be shooting you. I'd say go home. Are you digging?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it? And one of the tricks by us putting these, anchoring my white and blacks, so anything I do in here is not affecting the brightest white so much and the blacks as much. So I'm happy with that. And if we turn off that, it's pretty cool. You happy?
Yeah, it's cool.
Like I keep saying, I've done my job. It's up to you to do your job now.
Oh.
It's funny, Lottie came out with the pants on just to give her comfort while working around, and I thought, shit, this looks really cool the way it's looking now. So maybe just a fraction lower though, so it's a little bit more of a skin line. Yeah, about there, just about there, that's perfect. Has that cool vibe. I might crop in a little bit tighter because I do like to create my finished shot in camera. I don't like cropping. Cool, I'm happy with that there. Let's see. I'm just getting fussy now to the styling and to my crop. Cool, I like that. Yeah, can't crop that high. And why I'm saying this is the pants now look like a nappy. So the difference was what we had before. See how we have this, so we can see they're definitely pants. If I crop in really tight, so by coming out a bit, I'm going to drop a bit lower. Cool. It was looking cooler before. I don't know if we've changed, or maybe you need to be a bit wider to emphasise
I'm wearing pants.
that you're wearing pants.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Let's just shoot and let's just see what we get. And if we change our mind, we can always change.
Yeah.
Cool. I like that. Nice. Cool. So with this, I'm allowing you to, not e-com, but more fashion. So I don't mind you going crunch, crunch, but make it more a bigger move because it's more fashiony. So I don't mind you coming to that nice strong, so you can actually feel that point. So cool. So now you're allowed to fully go to, that's cool. So if you're gonna do the mouth, really do it.
Okay.
Don't hold back. And I'm not so worried about you have to look at the camera every time with this shot. And up like right up high and attitude, that's cool, that's really cool. That's really cool. So it's about more, this is about the silhouette. What's your feelings? Are you liking where it's?
Oh, that's really pretty. What do you think?
I do like the doll.
Yeah.
I do like that doll look. Yeah, 100% keep doing what you're doing. I am thinking that we will do some without the
pants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I think it'll add more attitude, especially if you come on toe.
Yeah.
Push up on toes. That's it. Feel the difference? Yeah. You don't have to hold it. It's just that push up will change your shape completely. It's so much better. Cool. Nice. But wherever you go, put 100% into the picture. So don't just, it's like bang, bang, like really try and force. I don't care if we get 40 dud pictures and one amazing picture. Yeah. I'm after that one amazing picture. Yeah. That's really cool. There, bang it. So yeah, fashion is attitude. Fashion needs that strong, piss off attitude. That Coco Rocha type of look. Cool, nice. Awesome. So again, just, yeah, that's beautiful strength. Cool. All right, so I want you to push onto toes, same pose. See the difference that you feel, right? See, toes is better than the gym workout. But I don't mind if you just push up, do your pose and drop down. Yeah. Otherwise you're gonna kill me because your calves will be stuffed for Christmas Day. Cool, nice. That's cool, that's really cool. Nice. Cool, I really like. Can you grab at your hair or something? Just, yeah, cool. Make it realer. And yeah, nice. That's cool, that's really cool. Cool, yeah. And maybe just for a play, come away from strong, powerful, come into like a doll, just a Barbie, like a ditzy, dumb, yeah, cool. There was one or two pictures you did earlier that you just had that beautiful soft look in your face, and it was a real yin and yang for what you were wearing. Cool. Do you want to have a look?
Yeah.
You like the dolly look?
Very cool.
I very much like the dolly look.
Yeah.
See, I love your attitude too. Like, you think we got a shot, or do you reckon you can rock this harder? Do you want us to find a different pair of pantyhose? We've got some polka dot ones, like black polka dot sheer. Ooh. And they might come up for your length better.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's heaps better. It's so much better. Nice. So maybe if we just go through the strong powerfuls and then we can do some, cool. I don't care how quick you move, because sometimes those moving shots are the shots I'm after. Cool. That's really cool. Nice. Cool. That's cool. Cool. That's really nice. Nice. Cool. And I'm not spraying and praying. I'm still looking for when I take the picture or guessing where she's going and trying to shoot her pose and then her in-between shots, because quite often the in-between shots are the ones I like the best. Cool. That's really cool. But we do get a lot of duds doing it like this. That's so cool. So I just want to finish off with more dolly pictures. And maybe in your head or in your eyes, just go, duh. You know, like a dumb dolly, get those boggly big eyes. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. It might be hard, but sometimes there's an amazing Gem Award picture and I'll flick it up now, and it's her pretending she's a doll. Face is just so much like just a dumb doll face.
Yeah.
That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Now just do yours. Stunning, stunning, stunning. So I'm just going to quickly finish off in my hand and shoot this more fashion. And you just work there, but I'm going to work in more close. So I'm only waist. Cool, cool. I like that. That's really cool. Oh, I like this angle. That's stunning, stunning, stunning. Stunning. That's really cool. 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 How can I get in there? That's really like that. Stunning, stunning. Nice. Is this your preferred side? Do you prefer me on this side or this side?
I turn my head this way.
Yeah, you prefer me on this side of you. Yeah, so can you swing around even more? Just in there. I want to just use a little bit of cool, even more to the wall. Now turn your whole body to the wall.
Oh.
Yeah, because I'm using the bounce off the wall to light you. So you're still going to have plenty of light on you. Cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. Nice, nice. Now do whatever you like. Cool. That's really cool. Cool, cool, cool. That's cool as. That's really cool. So all I'm doing is just giving a few different direction. Yeah, the knee up's really cool. That's stunning, stunning, stunning. Cool. I should go to your preferred side. Cool, cool, cool. Awesome.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you want to see some other fashion shoots that we've done, I'll pop them up on the screen now.